Hello students. In previous video of chapter Governing Overselves, we have already covered central government, parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Now, in this video, we will going to cover various other topics related to this chapter. Central Government of India. Its another name is Union Government. Its location is in New Delhi, which is the capital of India. The functions of central government is it deals with matters of national importance, defense, national finance, foreign exchange, railways, postal services. Structure of Union Government. President. He is the constitutional head of the state and the supreme commander of the armed forces. He is elected by the Electoral College consisting of the elected members of the state legislature and both houses of the parliament, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The tenure for the appointment is of 5 years. He can't be removed from the position except for the non-constitutional conduct by impeachment under Article 61. He is responsible for the appointment of the Prime Minister, Chief Justice, governors and other senior officials. Vice President. He is elected by the Electoral College consisting of the members of both houses of parliament. The tenure is of the period of 5 years. He is also the ex officio members of the Rajya Sabha, which is the upper house of the parliament. He is to act as the president in case of death, resignation, or when he is unable to discharge his duties due to any reason. There is as such no job responsibility specified for the post of Vice President in the Constitution of India. State Government of India. Each state has its own state government and its functions of each state government, law and order, local transport, health services and community development programs. Functions of state government is to regulate corporate practices, interest rates, exams for doctors and other professionals to obtain license. It helps to protect consumers from unfair and deceptive trade practices. It regulates safety and sanitary conditions of factories, including workers, compensation and unemployment. Governor. He is the executive head of the state and is appointed by the president. The tenure for the appointment is of 5 years. His major functions are: he is responsible for the appointment of Council of Ministers. He is responsible for causing the normal or supplementary budgets to be presented each year. He can also sanction funds out of contingency funds to the government to meet unexpected expenses of the state. He is responsible for giving the assent to the bills passed by the state legislation, without which they cannot become an act of law. Chief Minister. He is the real executive of the state administration and is the leader of the party which is in majority in the state legislative assembly, and he is appointed by the governor. He recommends the name of the persons for the Council of Ministers. He formulates the administrative and executive policies of the state and presides over the meetings of the cabinet. Indian Judicial System. Three-tiered system of Indian judiciary comprises of Supreme Court at its helm, High Court standing at the head of the state judicial system. It is followed by the district and session courts in the judicial district into which the states are divided. The lower rung of the system then comprises of the courts of civil and criminal jurisdiction. The Supreme Court is the apex court in India. Based in New Delhi, the Supreme Court is the highest judicial body in our country. The Chief Justice of India heads the Supreme Court. There are many other judges in the Supreme Court. All are appointed by the President of India. At the state level, the High Court is at the head of judicial administration. The head is the Chief Justice of the state. Each state consists of districts. Each district has the district and session court headed by a judge known as the district and session judge respectively. I hope you are clear with the topic. Thank you.